Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We have discussed about the Panchayat elections which are fast approaching. The stand which every MLA will take in his own constituency, that we will field our panels not on party lines. So we will go ahead with that. Plus all those other constituencies where we have not won, how we are going to identify the our candidates for the Panchayat elections. All the MLAs have discussed this, and we will take steps to start work for in both North Goa and South Goa. For that, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, where there is a installation today of the GPCC president and the office bearers, including our Yuri Alema, our youth leader in South Goa. All these issues will be discussed and deliberated over there in the GPCC meeting in the near future, and candidates will be finalized well in advance by the party, that is in Goa and Delhi.